In this video, we'll show you how to enter the UEFI BIOS setup menu on any computer or laptop. When you first power on a computer, it goes through a quick post, power on self-test. If you can press the correct key before the post is completed, you will access the BIOS menu. However, some computers complete posts so quickly that they don't recognize keyboard input in time for you to press a key. Different PC brands use different BIOS keys. Most modern motherboards use the DEL key, but ultrabooks, gaming laptops, and gaming PCs can be less consistent. Here's a list of common BIOS keys by brand, though the key may vary depending on the age of your model. Method 1. Using the Shift key. Hold the Shift key while restarting the computer. As you can see, regardless of the computer's manufacturer or motherboard, you can access the BIOS directly from Windows. Similarly, you can press the Shift key while restarting from the lock screen without logging into Windows. Method 2. Using Advanced Restart Options. You can access the BIOS from the Advanced Restart option in Windows settings. Steps in Windows 11. Method 3. Using Command Line. You can enter the following command in the Run box, Command Prompt, PowerShell, or Terminal.